Hi everyone and welcome to this video. I'm thrilled to tell you about 9 incredible benefits that you get when you migrate your property from a legacy PMS solution to a modern day cloud-based PMS solution. I'll cover things like powerful features, open API standards for connectivity, time savings, upgrades, infrastructure as a service, of course cost, and so much more. So don't go anywhere, that's all coming up in just a moment. In case you don't know, I'm Richard Bedenham from RJB Systems, the creators of the fantastic migrate Magic platform, helping hotels and travel companies around the world create any hotel rate plan in the cloud. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching. I'm on a mission to bring you practical tools, tips, and strategies that will genuinely turbocharge your overall internet sales efficiency and take your revenue performance into the outer limits of awesomeness. Okay, so in case you didn't know, a property management system is the single most important management system in the hotel business. Trying to work without one can be extremely confusing and time-consuming. Think of it like a central nervous system collecting and processing huge amounts of information about different aspects of the hotel, bringing everything together so that the management can then make critical business decisions. So what is a cloud-based property management system, or PMS? Well, a cloud-based property management system for hotels is a web application which offers or can offer all the features and functionalities provided by a traditional non-cloud property management system application installed at the hotel. Instead of storing all the hotel data locally in the hotel premises, it's stored in the cloud. Actually, it's stored in data centers around the world, such as Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud, for example. Now, there are so many great cloud-based PMS companies around, so feel free to go to Google, type in cloud-based property management systems, and you'll get a whole bunch of companies available. For example, Opera Cloud by Oracle, Protel Air by Protel, Cloudbeds, Front Desk Anywhere, Hotelogix, SkyTouch, ResLinks, Orange PMS. So if you're wondering why you should move to the cloud, then here are my 9 benefits that you'll get straight away when you make the big decision. Number 1, benefit from powerful web applications. The cloud is a reality of the day, and the web is even more powerful than ever before. Over the last 8 to 10 years, cloud computing and web applications have become incredibly powerful. I mean, even with relatively stable internet connectivity, unless the software is really graphics heavy, a cloud-based property management system can provide exactly the same user experience that a traditional property management system can. Let's take a look at the statistics. I mean, a survey by Logic Monitor in 2017, so that's a couple of years ago now, of US industry influencers said that 73% of participants said that their workload will run in the cloud. In exactly the same study, 83% of those participants said that within 10 years, 95% of their workload will run in the cloud, which is a pretty strong indicator that cloud services are the future, and the future is happening right now. Number 2, you're always connected and ready for change. The one disadvantage of a cloud PMS is that it may need constant internet connectivity, which legacy systems don't really need. The truth of the matter is that legacy systems are actually connecting out to other external systems as well, so they also need constant internet connectivity. However, it's important to keep in mind that as the world of online reservations continues to increase, being connected will continue to become a first and foremost requirement of running a hotel business profitably. And basically, running a PMS that's not seamlessly connected means that you don't get your reservations immediately, which can cause problems with customers and partners. Also, you don't get to update your inventory in real time, which can cause overbookings and underselling. And it's not just about reservations anymore. There's no silver bullet in the world of hotel technology, and it normally requires a unique combination of interconnected systems, or an ecosystem, which is a collection of interconnected systems to create the right balance for a hotel. This means that PMSs in today's hotels need to connect to a whole host of external systems, continually uploading and downloading data, for example, point of sale systems, channel managers, revenue management systems, customer relationship management systems, the various online payment gateways, pay TV systems, and so many more. You see, being connected is the inevitable reality of today, and the cloud PMS systems are ready to meet this new reality. What's more is that cloud PMS solutions can even work in offline modes, where they can provide even the most basic tasks in the unlikely event that the internet connectivity is interrupted. Number 3, you can leverage advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data analytics, they're not buzzwords anymore. Whether it's searching for your guest profile preferences, likes, dislikes online, or using the data to allocate the right room for your guests automatically, or even using face recognition software to help your front desk greet your guests by name. Cloud computing can literally take control of every single aspect of the hotel business and make it even more efficient. And these kind of benefits are just not available in current legacy solutions. Number 4, your data is kept safe. Using a cloud PMS means better security for your hotel data. Having a legacy PMS, you run the risk of data loss or damage for a whole variety of reasons. Using physical servers, you may get damage to those servers, you could get viruses, malware. You could even have situations where you have rogue employees erasing financial data by accident, or reservation data by removing some files. So these kind of risks don't exist when you use a cloud PMS provider. Number 5, you save money. Of course, the elephant in the room in the cloud versus non-cloud PMS debate is definitely the cost factor. But let's do a quick comparison here, right? Okay, so to set up and maintain a legacy PMS system, you're going to need sophisticated servers. You'll need a server room, of course, air conditioning, cabling, you need a server rack, licensing costs for the operating systems to run on those servers, backup hard disks, licensing costs for the actual PMS software to run on those servers, and let's not forget about the human resources factor to manage your infrastructure as well as the PMS software itself. So there's quite a lot involved in actually setting up a legacy PMS solution. And let's check out setting up a cloud system. So all you need to do, go to Google, find a cloud PMS company, contact them, get set up, start your subscription, use your favorite browser, and away you go. Simple as that. This means it's considerably cheaper to run than a legacy system. Number 6, it's easy to get started. So as I mentioned before, without the complicated infrastructure, you can get started much faster. Why is it so simple? Because you don't have to bother yourself with the complexities of managing your own infrastructure. You get infrastructure as a service when you subscribe to a cloud PMS company, so you don't have to worry about that. All the infrastructure is managed in the cloud. All you have to do is get a software as a service agreement from a company that you decide to go with, your favorite browser, and of course, an internet connection. Number 7, fast and easy updates. Technology is lightning fast these days, and it needs to be. Everyone, everywhere is even more demanding, and travelers are by no means an exception. Meaning travel tech companies have got to supply solutions that meet this reality. When it comes to updating legacy systems, it takes much longer, it becomes complicated, it's error prone, and it's so time consuming for everyone involved. Updates have usually got to be scheduled, rolled out to multiple computers, or even across multiple networks in some cases. Cloud-based PMS companies are in a much more flexible position when it comes to application development. So because they're also getting infrastructure as a service, they can then focus on developing and deploying updates to their application in a much faster way than legacy systems are able to. The beauty is that it all happens in the background. So even while you're working on the application, a simple refresh of the browser and you'll get the latest version of the application. So it's almost like a silent magic wand that just gets things done so that you don't have to. Number 8, access your PMS from anywhere at any time on any device. So when it comes to accessing key features of your PMS on any device, it's fast, flexible, whereas a legacy system is not very straightforward when it comes to multi-device compliance. Number 9, integration with other systems is easy. Let's face it, the nature of today's interconnected world is continually expanding. Having a cloud system built using open API standards opens you up to very powerful functionality which literally takes a fraction of the time to deploy. For example, channel management systems, booking engines, revenue management solutions, customer relationship management, reputation management, and so on and so forth, even points of sale. or payment gateways are so much easier to integrate. When it comes to legacy systems, they need to develop new connections, maintain them, and the cost and time continues to increase. So there you have it, 9 incredible benefits that your hotel gets today when you migrate to a cloud-based property management system solution. As you can see, the benefits are huge in comparison to remaining with outdated solutions. So until next time, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions at all of the methods that you can use to contact me are in the video description below. Thank you so much, and remember, distribution really does start with you. Happy distributing, and talk to you in my next video.